Welcome to the AZ-900 mini quiz number 1 practice test. Let's begin. Question 1. Which cloud model uses a combination of on-premises and public cloud? Option A, public cloud. Option B, private cloud. Option C, hybrid cloud. Option D, community cloud. The correct answer is C. Hybrid cloud combines private and public clouds, allowing data and apps to be shared between them. Question 2. Which Azure service is used to store and retrieve secret keys and certificates? Option A, Azure Blob Storage. Option B, Azure Key Vault. Option C, Azure Active Directory. Option D, Azure Policy. The correct answer is B. Azure Key Vault is a centralized cloud service for storing application secrets like API keys and certificates. Question 3. Which cloud concept describes the ability to scale computing resources out or in based on demand? Option A, high availability. Option B, fault tolerance. Option C, elasticity. Option D, predictability. The correct answer is C. Elasticity allows a cloud provider to automatically add or remove resources to match the current demand. Question 4. Which Azure service provides identity and access management in the cloud? Option A, Azure Monitor. Option B, Azure Active Directory. Option C, Azure Logic Apps. Option D, Azure DevOps. The correct answer is B. Azure Active Directory manages users, groups, identities, and access to Azure resources. Question 5. Which pricing model allows you to pay only for the compute time you consume? Option A, CapEx. Option B, reserved pricing. Option C, pay-as-you-go. Option D, subscription-based. The correct answer is C. Pay-as-you-go charges based on actual usage, making it flexible and cost-efficient. This completes the practice session. Great job!